None can match the Elven King's refined tastes.
Ooh,
A foul
I was
nest
just having a
of
sip of
goblins.
wine.
There
The
is work to be done.
vineyard has been planted. The Elven King's domain grows.
Building supplies coming. Build up this land.
I was just having a sip of wine.
A fair sight indeed.
Our kingdom
tools.
expands once again. The
It is time to
Bjornings
build.
have put up a new
Yes?
lodge.
What is it you need?
A fair sight indeed. None
A
can
new
match the Elven
structure
King's
has been
refined
completed.
tastes. It is time to build.
The Bjorning Lodge has been expanded. A
There
new
is work to be
structure
done.
has been completed.
A fair sight indeed.
The Elven King's domain grows.
None can match the Elven King's
I
refined
am
tastes.
Tauriel,
It is time to build.
and
else
I will
loves best
stand
the
with
light of
you.
the stars? My bow is pledged to the Elven King.
Our resources are being attacked. We have further refined a structure. We've built
Yes?
a hunting
What is it you
shrine.
need? Coming through!
The Bjorning
is no
Lodge has
escape.
been expanded.
It will not end here.
Elven influence spreads once more.
None can match the Elven King's refined tastes.
A new structure has been completed.
There is work to be done. Building supplies coming.
Our scouts have sighted the enemy.
I am
The
at the King's
lodge is
command.
full of beasts. Desecrate our hunting
cannot
shrine.
let the
The
darkness
hunting
descend.
shrine is ready. Goblin Warren, destroyed.
Oh, yes? What is it you need?
A
fair
foul
sight
nest
I
of
will
goblins.
end you.
They have
There is
entered
no
our
escape.
domain.
Die, thing of shadow.
The structure has been upgraded.
We shall lead the woodmen to prosper. My spirit cries for leaving.
When did we allow evil to become stronger than us?
Heed our words well. May this sacred wisdom
is
be
ready.
seated elsewhere.
The enemy draws close.
Yes? What is it you need?
I am at the king's command.
The beekeepers have arrived.
Follow my lead.
They have begun their assault. Our resources, they are tearing them down.
Wood elves love best the light of the stars.
I was just having a sip of wine.
Building supplies coming.
That's gone. Don't let him get away again. Protect the builder.
Ready your tools.
The
There is
realm
work
is
to be
under
done.
attack.
When did we allow evil to become stronger than us? We go into the wild.
Yes? What is it you
We
need?
must remain humble.
We cannot let the darkness descend.
Ready your tools.
I will end you. Seek out the hidden paths. Die, thing of
The
shadow.
enemy has picked
Hinder
up
their
the
advance.
One Ring. We've built another lookout. Trespassers, to arms! They attack our structures.
Victory is within our grasp. When did we allow evil to become stronger than us?
Ready your tools.
The Beornings will see to this land safely.
Fair sight indeed.
There is no
They
escape.
dare challenge
With every
our
victory,
might.
this evil will grow.
Yes, I'm away. What do you want? I haven't yet broken a sweat. You have earned my fury.
We must
I was
protect
just
our
having
lands.
a sip of wine.
Building supplies coming.
Ron, I'm
One
busy
ring is in
here.
enemy hands.
You'd better keep up.
You are not welcome
Feel
here.
the wrath of the Beorning. Keep away from my animal.
I cannot win
The
this fight.
forests will echo with
Follow
loud.
my
Hunting
lead.
shrine is being burned.
Yes, I'm away.
The elves
do you want?
speak of a great music.
The lookout is ready. They attack our
There is work to be
structures.
done.
I don't take kindly to visitors.
Heed our words
We keep the
well.
high pass open. I know these lands well. Run them all down!
They desecrate our hunting shrine.
Yes?
Ron
What is it you need?
Anduit.
They have entered our domain.
I haven't yet broken a
A
sweat.
new structure has been completed.
The camp is mine to protect. Yes, I'm away. What do you want?
Again, they challenge us.
You have earned my fury. I don't take kindly to visitors.
Ready your tools.
The legacy of Beorn
fair
must
sight
not
indeed.
be forgotten.
They have begun their assault.
Victory is within our grasp.
Ron Anduit, I'll have you know.
They march against us.
Yes, I'm away. What do you want?
A
We
new
must
day
protect our
will
lands.
dawn. Sit beneath
I am
the
Legolas of
noble
the
oak.
Woodland
I don't
realm.
take
The
kindly
halls of my
to
father will not fall.
visitors.
We cannot let the darkness descend. It is our fight. Wood elves love best the
Elven
light of the
influence
stars.
spreads once more.
Seek out the hidden paths.
You have my bow.
It is our fight.
your tools.
The Beornings will
There is
see
much to
to
do.
this land's safety.
Trespassers!
I'm up to
arms.
17!
Our resources! They are tearing them down!
None can match the Elven King's refined tastes.
Yes, I'm aware. What do you want? We keep the high pass open.
They will return in force. They have entered our domain. We must safeguard our resources.
Yes? What is it you need? A fair sight indeed.
Keep away from my animal.
Our kingdom expands once again.
There is work to be done. Building supplies
My
coming.
bow is pledged to the Elven King. Follow my lead.
Our resources are being attacked.
Yes,
our
I'm
kingdom
aware.
expands
want?
once again.
Stay close to me. Keep away from my animal.
The realm is under attack. They
Drawn
threaten
and
our
weak.
sanctity.
I'll have you know.
There is no escape.
They are an endless tide!
Again, they challenge us.
I will end you.
The halls of Mandos speculate.
I'm busy here. We keep the high pass open. You have earned my fury. Keep away from my
They have
animal.
begun their
Drawn
assault.
and
We
weak.
must safeguard our resources. Trespassers, to arms!
Ready
The
your tools.
Beornings will see to
Coming
this
through.
land's safety. I haven't yet broken a
Advance
sweat.
against the Elven
King's
I'll rip
domain.
them
Die,
apart
thing of
with my
shadow.
bare
Scatter into the trees. We cannot tarry here.
Back to the shadow! I'm one behind! I shall find another way! Come, let us report to the king.
Allow evil to become stronger than us. Come back with me.
I'm busy here. You'd better keep up.
There is work to be done.
The legacy of Beorn must
I was
not
just
be
having a sip of
forgotten.
wine.
It is time to build.
Keep away from my This animals. axe chops
We
more.
cannot let the darkness descend.
The realm is under attack. We have a new structure. They desecrate our hunting shrine.
I'm up to 17!
Challenge our might.
The path is clear.
There is no escape. Victory is within our grasp.
None can match the Elven King's
Our
refined
resources
tastes.
are being attacked. You are not welcome here.
I don't
High
deny
Count
to
is ready.
visitors. You don't have to tell me twice.
Kept you waiting, hmm?
It is our fight.
In time, we too shall fade.
We've built a hunting
Come,
shrine.
follow me.
The forest has grown perilous of late.
We must safeguard our resources. Our
Drawn
army cannot
and
grow
weak.
any
I'll
larger.
have you know.
Restart. Commencing the tracks lead this way. The
They
woodland
dare
realm
challenge
must
our
be
might.
suppressed.
They attack our structures.
Keep away from my animal. Stay close to me, little one. You don't have to tell me twice.
My bow is pledged to the Elven King.
Looks like those Xenos. There's something out there.
Keep away from my animal. Time to expand my territory.
We cannot let the darkness descend. Keep out of sight. When did we allow evil to become stronger than us? We cannot let the darkness descend. Follow my lead. I am at the King's command. What elves love best the light of the stars?
Grimyard is by your side. I do not need your service.
My bow is pledged to the Elven King. We cannot let the darkness descend. My bow is pledged to the Elven King. The forest calls us home.
I don't take better keep up visitors. Time to expand my territory.
Our fortress
better keep up.
more beautiful. They threaten our
You don't have to
sanctity.
tell me twice. Stay close to me, little one. Time to expand my
Steel
territory.
yourself! My time
Keep
runs
away
short!
from my animal.
Do not falter! I shall find another way! Come, follow me.
Orcs don't frighten me.
You have my bow.
My aim is true.
There's something
Beware,
out there.
the enemy is near.
Forward! Quickly!
You
I
are not
haven't
welcome
yet broken
here.
a sweat.
I am at the King's command.
You have earned my food. I'll clean them in two.
Die, King of Shadow!
More. I haven't yet broken a
Victory
sweat.
is within our grasp. What elves love best the light of the stars? If I must. When did we allow evil to become stronger
Keep
than
away
us?
from my animal.
Trespassers, to arms!
I don't take kindly. We keep the high paths
We
open.
may yet prevail.
There is sanctuary amongst the trees. The trees will see to our safety.
There is no escape. Scatter into the trees.
I require your blade!
Follow my
I'm
lead.
up to 17! Quickly!
His
Away!
bow is pledged
I
to
do
the
not
Elven King.
need your service, but I
Cannot let
expect
the darkness
mine.
descend. Keep out of sight. Follow my lead.
The Beornings will see to this land safely.
I am at the King's command. Keep out of sight. Follow my lead.
Ron and Wits, I'll have you know.
The elves speak of a great sacred
Die, Thing of Shadow.
They have begun their assault. They march against us. Our resources, they are tearing them down.
My
They
people
are harassing our
stand over
buildings.
this land.
Yes?
We have
There
lost
is
a
no
builder.
escape.
You have earned my fury. The legacy of Beor must not be forgotten. I don't take kindly to visitors.
We must protect our lands. Trespassers, to arms!
Keep away from my animal. My people stand guard over this land. You have earned my fury!
Die, filth! Where are they coming from?
The battle goes in! We keep the high paths open.
Oh, yes? What is it you need? Building supplies coming.
Keep away from my animal. Stay close to me, little ones. Orcs don't frighten me.
Does the Elven King need something
I will
built?
guide
Elves
you.
love best the light
None
of the
can match the
stars.
Elven King's refined tastes. Build up
The
this land.
forests will echo with laughter.
My bow is pledged to the Elven King. We cannot let the darkness descend. When did we allow evil to become stronger than us?
Our kingdom expands
By Azarin,
once
I have
again.
returned.
It is time to build.
We will not give way to the enemy. This way.
My bow is pledged to the Elven King.
Expands
Seek
once
out the
again.
hidden paths.
The enemy holds up nearby. They have entered our domain.
When did we allow evil to become stronger than us? I will end you. We go into the wild.
Begun their assault.
Feel the wrath of the Beowulf them apart with my bare hand.
That's the enemy
My
fortress.
people stand guard over this land. I'm busy here. The Ornings, your chief needs aid. Let me cover your escape.
The son of Beorn
To
is
the next
dead.
life. You don't have to tell me twice.
Structure.
Victory is within our grasp.
Feel the wrath of the Beorning.
There is no escape. This fight. Come back with me.
They threaten our sanctity.
The forest calls us home.
They attack
We
our
go into the
structures.
wild. The king will expect a report.
Ready your tools. Build up this land. None can match the Elven King's refined tastes. Building supplies coming.
I haven't yet broken a sweat.
My bow is pledged to the Elven King.
We have found their wretched camp.
I am at the king's command.
Can you hear the wind
Sit
blow?
beneath the noble oak.
Defend our structures. The enemy draws close. We have a new structure.
Ooh, I was just having a sip of wine.
You are no
match.
Structure.
Victory is within our grasp. The forest calls us home.
In time, all foul things
Attack our
come
structures.
forth.
The structure has been upgraded.
Revel in the heirlooms of our people.
Claim it for the king. Secure it.
And retreat. Your king is in need of aid.
A dragon
Take
makes
no
its approach.
prisoners.
We must
Secure it.
protect our lands. They threaten our sanctity.
Filth. Claim it for the king. Secure it.
There is work to be done.
Wood elves love best the light of the stars.
We must safeguard our resources.
None can match the Elven King's refined tastes. Coming through!
Desecrate our hunting shrine. Defend our structures.
Kept you waiting.
We shall not be conquered.
More elves to the clearing. We have further refined our structure. Our kingdom expands once again.
There is much to do.
Our resources, they are tearing them down.
Commencing
We
the
have
hunt.
further refined a
None
structure.
can match the Elven King's refined tastes. Coming through!
The largest bow in all the
We have
Greenwood.
put up a grand tribute to Oromi.
You are safe with
We
me.
cannot let the darkness descend. Follow my lead.
We have a new spot.
Claim it for the king.
High
The Elven
Hadron,
King's abode.
at your disposal.
Secure it. Claim it for the king.
More trinkets to the treasury. The lookout is ready.
I do not need your service, but I expect you need mine.
Put it on and turn this bow in all the Greenwood.
Challenge our might. We researched the Sylvan flesh. We have reinforced the royal barracks.
Do give us some worthy targets.
It is our fight. Clear them all out. Scatter into the trees.
This
With
Sylvan
every victory,
steel
this evil will
aid
grow.
us well. They have entered our domain.
The forest calls us home. Keep to your marks. Die, thing of shadow. Come back with me.
Face the Elven King's banners.
My bow grows heavy.
There's something out there.
I will end you.
Do not falter!
They dare challenge
The
our
battle
might.
is
This way. Hurry.
There's something out there.
Die, thing of shadow.
In time, we too shall fade.
Victory is within our grasp. With every victory, this
The
evil
enemy
will grow.
waylays us.
Wood elves love best the light of the stars. I am at the king's command.
Save the builder, quick! Our fortress
There is work to be done.
more beautiful. We must protect our lands.
High Hadron,
Trespassers,
at
to
your
arms!
disposal. Nothing moves but I
My
hear it.
people stand guard over this land. There are too many. They do not tire easily. I will ride to see you.
the nature of evil.
Our structures. They dare
The
challenge
large
our
elements
moats.
of all the greenwood.
You are safe with me.
It is our fight.
This land must be kept safe. Greenwood archers, here for your
The gilded god of Furkan has
They
arrived.
Run out of wine.
We must protect our
needed
lands.
somewhere else.
Trespassers. Quick, to arms.
High Hadron. Is that really all you've got?
I require your blade! There are too many. We must leave at once. You have my bow, by King Thranduil's decree.
Victory is within our grasp.
Is that really all you've got?
I cannot win this fight. Come back with me. The forest calls us home.
Greenwood archers, here for your service. Have we run out of wine?
Guard this area.
I'll pass.
Dare they attack our building?
The largest bow in
Trespassers
all the
beware.
greenwood.
None may enter the greenwood but by the king's consent. Be ready.
We are one in this forest.
In this kingdom, we will endure.
Dare challenge
Don't
our
go on,
might.
Nahid.
The realm is under attack.
I was just having a sip of wine.
Greenwood archers, here for your service.
It's time to build.
This land must be kept safe. For the Elven King!
My bow is pledged to the Elven King. Follow my
High
lead.
Hadron. At your disposal.
Greenwood lies under our protection. Through the brush. The forest beckons. This land is known to us.
Have we run out of wine? Stop them in their tracks!
That will be next. They have begun their assault. They threaten our sanctity. They have
Get out of my
returned in
way!
force.
Never underestimate a wood elf.
We will not give way to the
It
enemy.
is our fight. The forest calls us home.
The Elven King's domain grows.
A shadow glows in the dark.
Cut them down! Give them a volley!
Trespassers, to arms!
The largest bow
100
in all
years is
the
a mere
greenwood.
blink in the life of an elf.
Mind the
Greenwood archers,
wheels.
here for your service.
In this kingdom, we will endure. Where did you learn to fight?
Echo. Boggy.
The greenwood must be protected. Never underestimate a wood elf.
In time, all foul things come forth.
They threaten our
Have we
sanctity.
run out of wine?
We need
High
more
Hadron.
resources.
At your disposal.
Mar Khalifa, scream in their tracks, here for your service.
The realm is under attack.
Trespassers beware, keep them at bay.
Playing beset on all sides.
Never underestimate a wood elf. The greenwood must be protected.
Run then. You are not welcome here.
The largest bow in all the greenwood.
Die, fell creature! We are ready for anything. Here for your service.
There is no escape.
Our king
Every
is
victory
dead.
evil will grow.
I am at the king's command.
Ready your tools.
Never underestimate a wood elf.
Fair sanctity.
In
Artifact's memory.
I am at the king's command.
Looks like our shields.
Greenwood archers, here for your
Follow my lead. Seek out the hidden paths.
Is sick.
When did we allow evil to become stronger than us?
We are one with this
Trespassers beware. None but the Elven King may command us. We are ready for anything.
I was just having a sip of wine. Challenge our might.
Greenwood lies.
Never
for our
underestimate a
protection.
wood elf.
The huntsman watches over us.
Wood elves love best the light of the stars.
The forests will echo with laughter.
Greenwood archers, here for your service.
Rings of smoke through the
Greenwood
trees.
lies under our protection. The great rider guides us.
Give us some worthy
Die, thing of shadow!
A new structure has been completed.
I will not let the darkness descend. The forest calls us home.
reduce it to rubble.
Artifact's memory. Tauron has shown us.
Yes, it's going. Targets. Are you pushing? Ah, very well. Yes, it's going. Break their line, I suppose.
A traitor. A noble pursuit. The forest beckons.
You are no match.
Elven influence spreads once more.
Fear nothing! Us awaits!
Victory is within our grasp.
Steel yourselves.
Mar Khalifa,
There's work to be done.
Greenwood must be needed somewhere else.
Don't let them get close.
With me, keep out of sight.
Trespassers beware the distance. We must not tarry.
Load another boat. We're done. Let's go home. Mind your aim now. Get the rope ready.
Brace yourselves.
The enemy is right in front of us.
They threaten our sanctity. Tauron has shown us the path.
Greenwood archers, here for your service.
The forest beckons.
Wood elves love best the
Be
light of
wary.
the stars.
The enemy is near.
They
Do not let them reach our halls.
You will pay. This fight is done. Don't let them get close.
Trespassers, to arms!
Cease fire. Oh, finally.
The miscreants are approaching.
You too shall fall!
The enemy is right in front of us.
In Artifact's memory.
Be ready.
Your lives are
Greenwood
forfeit!
archers.
Put it on and turn the wheel.
None but the Elven King may command us.
Half-a-deer!
They dare challenge our might.
Show them no mercy! We must regroup! Quick, shoot them!
This army has reached its full
My arms grow. The enemy is right in front of us.
Victory is within our grasp.
Get out of my way. Recall your warriors. Move.
They dare
We are
enter
ready
the
for
Elven
anything.
King's
This
domain.
cannot be allowed.
Breathe your last breath.
Greenwood archers, here for your service.
They have entered our domain.
Long have my fathers protected this land.
This one shall go down in history!
The enemy draws close.
Cut them down! Its presence cannot be tolerated.
Trespassers,
To arms!
The Elven King commands its destruction!
Die, thing of shadow!
He's dead! Have we run out of wine? We are needed somewhere else.
Victory is within our grasp. I will end you. Let none pass this way.
Reclaim this land for the Elven King.
The Greenwood!
Victory is within our grasp.
Fear nothing! Mandos awaits!
The battle goes ill. I will end you. It will not end here.
Back to the shadow!
We cannot let the darkness descend.
Cut them down!
They dare enter the Elven King's domain.
This cannot be allowed to stand.
They threaten our sanctity.
Tauron has shown us.
You are no match.
Onward, Arthur.
None may enter the Greenwood but by the King's consent cannot be tolerated. Tear it from this earth.
Protect these lands.
Rally around ourselves of the Greenwood!
A noble pursuit. Tauron has shown us the path.
Fear nothing! We will save us
They
from
dare challenge our might.
Dartho! Greenwood archers, here
Yes?
for your service.
What is it you need? It is time to build.
Cut them down!
You are safe with me.
My bow is
Show them
pledged to
now,
the
down.
Elven King.
Steel yourselves! Now, take them down! I will destroy you if I must.
You are not welcome here.
High Hadron, at your disposal.
Die, thing of shadow!
Guru! Sound the retreat! The enemy is out there.
Do not falter! To me, Gimli!
Just up for one.
Woodland ground has the victory. Trespassers, to arms!
And another. For the center of the action, if you don't mind.
Greenwood archers, here for your service.
Build up this
Stand ready. I shall chop you like kindling.
The huntsman. We are one with this forest.
Victory is within our grasp. I will end you.
Yes? What is it you need?
They dare challenge our might.
What are we waiting
Greenwood
for?
archers,
High
here for your
Hadron,
service.
at your disposal.
Forward. I could use a better view.
The enemy holds up
I'll
nearby.
get there soon
The
enough.
land cannot sustain
Root
a
of
larger
fear, my
force.
Martalitar. None but the Elven King may command us. Have we run out of wine?
Big chip of fine stone.
You are not
We're
welcome
waiting
here.
for. We'll get there soon enough.
We have
Finally.
a new structure.
Wood elves love best the light of the stars.
None but the Elven King may command us.
Praise be to Varna.
I am at the king's command. Pursue them.
You are no match.
It seems they have yet to learn their lesson. Trespassers.
Victory is within our
arms.
grasp. Seek out the hidden paths.
We are one with this forest.
Looks like I've seen it.
It is our fight. We cannot tarry here.
Never underestimate a wood elf. Close the distance. We must not tarry.
No, we've not touched the
There is work to be
wine
done.
today.
A fair sight indeed.
Our woodwork is second to none.
Cut them down! March! Reclaim this land for the Elven King!
You are not welcome here.
Secure it.
Fear nothing! Mandos Trespassers beware! Guru!
Claim for the king.
Primed and mind your aim.
Show them no mercy! Fear nothing! Mandos awaits!
A masterpiece of elven craft.
We are ready for anything. Lethal!
There is no escape.
Back to the shadow! For the Woodland realm!
Don't let them get close. Calibrate and release.
Guru! Here are arrows!
Say much.
Stop them in their tracks! Its presence cannot be tolerated. Keep them at bay.
Our kingdom
Reclaim this land for the Elven King.
once again.
Get the rope ready. Let's go home.
You are safe with me.
Die, thing of shadow.
Never underestimate this
Fear
place.
nothing!
Mandos cut them down!
Trespassers.
Down
To arms!
The enemy is right in front of us.
Guru! Dartho! Show them no mercy! We cannot win this fight. Close the distance. The enemy is out.
The enemy fortress moves. That's the one ring. The Elven King will want it brought to him. We have picked up
We
the
must
ring.
regroup. We must not tarry. March, elves of the Greenwood.
How many do we have
welcome
left? Reduce it to rubble.
None but the Elven King may command us.
I will end you.
I will destroy you if I must.
Load another one, will you? Cease fire.
Dartho! We are needed somewhere else. Stop them in their tracks.
The Elven King's wrath.
We will
has been
safeguard this realm.
victorious.
Close the
My
distance.
bow is
carrying the
pledged to
one
the
ring.
Elven King. It is our fight. Keep out of sight.
Halfodir! A noble pursuit. Through the brush.
Nothing to fear.
We must protect our lands. Our structures.
Send word to Balan.
Challenge our might. Protect the builder. We have destroyed the enemy fortress. They threaten our sanctity. The Woodland